Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, in previous videos we have learnt about real numbers and rational numbers and irrational numbers. Also we solved few problems on those concepts. So students, now let's see few problems on irrational numbers. Now question number 5 in exercise 1.2. Okay, find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Okay. So students, actually root 5 is what? Irrational number. So if we discussed already, if n is non-perfect square number, under root of n is irrational number. So 5 is non-perfect square number. Actually 5, what type of number is it? Prime number. So square root of 5 is irrational number. So now we are going to find its decimal form. So students, here we will use long division method. Okay. So first we need to write 5 as 5.000000, and so how many places? 3 decimal places. That's the reason 3 pairs I have taken. Okay, fine. Now from rightmost value we have to divide it into pairs. Okay, so 0 and 0 first pair, 0 and 0 second pair, third pair. So if any digit is alone, we have to write dot upon that number. So 5 is here now, here I am writing dot. Right students. Now, so what is the, here one rule is there. So that is whatever the number here we are writing, same number here also we need to write. So either 1 ones are, or 2 twos are, or 3 threes are, like that. So here 5 is there. So either you can take nearest small number and equal to the number also. If any number is there, means you can take. Suppose 4 is here, you can take 2 twos are 4. You can take. 5 is here, nearest small number is not 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay. So here I am writing 2 twos are 4. Okay, so now I am subtracting this 4. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. Okay, so now children, here also we write point, as we wrote point here, right? And children, here before going to the next step, units digit should be added to itself. Okay, so 2 is here now. So 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Okay, and in general, in division what we will do, while taking the remainder, just we will take one digit, right? But in long division we have to take pairs. Means if you want to take, if you write only 1 0 here, that is wrong. So this pair you have to take down. So 0 0. And students, already told you here whatever the number we are writing, same thing here also we need to write. Okay, means 41 ones, 42 twos, like that. So students, 42 twos are 84, 43 threes are 129, nearest small number is what? 84. So 42 twos are 84. And students, now 100 minus 84. So what is the value? 16. Okay, so now again we are moving to the next step. So here units digit is what, students? 2. So 42 plus 2 is 44. Okay, now we need to find its units digit. And here we have to get another pair. So 1600 means 1600. Right. So students, so we know already either 441 ones or 442 twos. So in that way we have to do. Okay. So students, I am trying here for 440. So 400 is 1200. Okay. 4 is 16. So I will check with 444 fours are students. 4 4 is 16, 17, 1776, that is exceeding 1600. So I will take one number preceding value. 443 threes are I am taking. 3 threes are 9. So 12 plus 1 13 29. So 443 threes are 1329. Okay. So students, here yes. So we are going to the next step, students. So here 3 is there, 3 is units digit. It should be added to this number. So 443 plus 3 is 446. So we are going to find this number. Okay. So keep in square boxes so it will be easy to identify. Okay students, now next pair I am taking down. So what is this? 27,100. So students, it will be like 4,461 into 1, okay, or 4,462 into 2. So like that we have to take the number, children. So nearest small number I am checking with 4,466 6. So 6 6 are 36, 39, 27, 26,796. And students, it is almost near to 27,100. If you take 44,067 sevens are, so that is exceeding this. Why? Because 4,000 sevens are 28,000, right? So it is 27,100. So obviously we can take 4,466 into 6. Okay, so here and here also 6. And children, nearest small number is 26,796. Okay, here we have to subtract this value. And students, so how many decimal places they are asking? 3, no? So after the decimal point, 1 2 3. So there are 3 digits after the decimal point. Okay, so here you can find the remainder. So you can write here, therefore under root of 5 is equal to 2.236. So this is the answer. Now problem number 6. Find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places by long division method. Okay. So students, so already we solved this type of problem. So there we found decimal form of the root 5. Okay. So here in this problem, we are going to find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places. Means after decimal point, 6 digit we need to find. Okay. So here we used to use long division method. So here I am solving. First we have to take this 7 as 7.00000000. So I am taking 6 pairs of zeros. Now so students, we know here whatever the divisor we are taking, same thing here also we need to take. Okay, means 1 1s are, or 2 2s are, 3 3s are, like that. 7 is here and 2 2s are 4. Nearest small number is what? 4. So here we need to take 2 2s are 4. Now you will subtract 4 from 7. Here we will get 3. Okay, and so while coming to the next step, what will happen? Here units digit should be added itself. For 2 is here, 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Now we are searching for units digit. And here in long division, while taking the remainder part, so this pair will come down. Okay. So students, first here we have to divide it into pairs. So all these are pairs and 7 is alone. Here we need to write dot. That's also okay. Now 2 to the 4, 3 is the remainder. Here also need to take height. That's okay. Now we need to take this pair down. Okay. So what we will get here? 300. So here we have to check first. Either 41 ones or 42 twos, 43 threes. 42 twos are 84 and 43 threes are 129. Okay. So 45 fives. 46 6, okay, 47 sevens, like that we have to check. Okay, so students, I will check with 46 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 276. So 47 sevens are, so that definitely exceeds this number, children. Okay, so that will exceeds 300. Okay, so here, so we check once. 47 sevens are 49 and this is 28 plus 4, 32. 329, it's exceeding. So nearest small number is 276. So 46 6 are 276, right? So now we need to subtract this number. So here what we will get? 4 minus 7, 2 and here 0. Right. Now we are going to the next step. Okay. So here 46 units digit is 6. units digit should be added to this divisor. So 46 plus 6, 6 plus 6 is what? 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. So students, now we are searching for this units digit, and here we have to get this pair of zeros term. Okay, so what is here now? 2400. So we need to check with this number. 521 ones, 522 twos. Okay, 525 fives, like that we have to check. And students, 525 fives are, I want to check, that is exceeding 2500. So we can take 524 fours are. 524 fours are, that is 4 fours are 16. This is 9, 5 fours are 20, 2096. So if we take 525 fives are, that is exceeding 2000. See, 500 fives are, 500 fives are is what? 2500, right? So here 525 fives, if you take, definitely that will exceed 2500, but here 2400 only there. So nearest small number is like 524 fours are 2096. So we need to subtract 2096 from 2400. So that is 4 0 here. Okay, 0. Now we are going to the next step. So here this units digit should be added to this divisor, that is 524 plus 4, 528, and here we need to find this units digit. And here one more pair of zeros we have to take down, 0 0. Okay, so what will be this? 30,400. Okay, and students, here 5 to 8 means 5,281 ones are, or 5,282 twos are. In that way we have to check. Here 30,000 is there, so 5,006 are 30,000. So once 30,200. So I will check with that number. 5,286 6 are 36, 48 plus 3, 51, plus 5, 17, 31,000. So that is exceeding, students. 5,286 6 are 31,000 something, but here 30,400 only there. So here we need to check with 5. Okay, 5,285 fives are. Okay, 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40, 40 plus 2 42, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 1 14, 5 fives are 25, 25 plus 1 26. Yeah, so here if we take like 5,285 fives, 26,425. So here we need to subtract this thing, children. Okay, and yeah, here subtracting 5, 7, 9. So students, here one more pair of zeros we have to get down here, and while before going to the next step, what will become? It's become plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 10, 9, 2, 5. We are searching for the units digit, right? So students, in this way we can, like, so this pair of zeros we will take down. Okay, so in this way you can get other 3 digits. Okay, so 2.645, again you will get 3 more digits in this process. So students, you try this remaining part, and yeah, students, I hope you understood well, and if you have any doubts, please put in comment section, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, students.